training video on the new fluid width themes. They come in 4 colors, and each color comes in 2 variations, and I think you're really going to love them. There are some things you'll want to make sure that you change in order to use these new themes effectively. So here we have our site with its traditional theme. Category menu on the left, header at the top, icons in the middle, right hand column, we've got a little text rotator, and then when we go to any of the categories, we still have this navigation on the left. Same thing when we're in the products. Now, once you go into the admin and then go to the settings tab, you'll see that under themes here on the left hand side, we have all of the themes that we normally have, and you're going to find the new ones called fluid. We have a fluid blue round, same thing with coal, green, and red. In order to preview them, you can simply click on the preview button, and you will see that this has some square icons, square category areas, I should say. That popped it in a new window, so I'm just going to close that. And if we look at the same thing with round, you'll see that they have rounded corners. There are a few minor differences within the other pages of the theme, so let's go to it. Now, on these new themes, we do not have a category menu on the left-hand side on any of the pages. We also don't have the right-hand menu. Whatever was there ends up showing up at the bottom. So you may have more than just a little line of text. So you're going to want to remove anything from the category home page on the right column and on the left column. So let's begin with that. So we'll go into the Content tab. We're going to remove from the left column, that's the first column, so we'll just delete that, yes. Same thing on the right column, column 3, we're going to delete that. So all we'll have is the middle column. The next thing we need to do is scroll up and do the same thing for the category page. We're going to remove this category grid. And then we're going to do the same thing for the product page. Delete that category grid. Now, we do want to have categories for navigation once we get past the home page. So the way we're going to do that is by simply going again to the Settings tab, then on the right-hand side, Category and Search, and we're going to turn on this. Show categories, tabs, menus in the header. Yes. And we're going to go down and hit Save. Now we can go to the Themes section, and we can choose the the theme that we really want to have. So let's start with this red one. Click Fluid Red. Now when I go out to the store, sure enough, I have this red. Looks really nice with this gray navigation bar at the top. All of my categories are here. My logo has moved to the center, shopping cart, and these nice categories bounce up when somebody clicks on them. We might alternately wish to go to the rounded version of that same theme, and you'll notice that in the rounded version, we also have these, instead of just going up, they increase in size. We don't have the gray bar at the top, and we have some visible rounded corners and borders. In either case, it's a great looking site. And again, these categories remain at the top. So we didn't want to have this be a mile long, so we only are showing the top level categories here. And then you can see when we mouse over, we can see the various subcategories. So I hope you found that easy. It looks really great. It's super fantastic on mobile. Again, these are the new fluid width themes, and they are available in 4 colors. The colors are blue, coal, which is a gray, green, and red. And then within each of those, you have 2 configurations, one being with rounded corners and visible borders, and one without. Thank you again for choosing Custom Vantage Web.